In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a bank statement into Zoho Books. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step, ensuring you get it right in just a few minutes. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open your web browser. Once there, head over to the search bar and type in Zoho as your search query. This will bring up a list of results. Look for the official Zoho website, the one that typically has zoho.com as its URL. It should appear as one of the top results in your search. Now that you've identified the correct link, go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the Zoho site, you have to choose the option that suits you best between logging in or signing up, depending on whether you already have an account. If you need to create a new account, simply follow the straightforward setup steps that Zoho provides. After successfully logging into your Zoho account, navigate directly to Zoho Books. From there, you'll want to head over to the dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for all the financial and accounting tools Zoho Books offers. It's designed to be user-friendly, so finding your way around should be a breeze. On the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see various options listed there. Click on Banking to access your financial accounts. Within this section, select the specific bank or credit card account where you wish to import your statement. Once you've opened the detailed view of the chosen account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You will see an Import Statement button prominently displayed there. Click on it. This takes you to a screen where you can upload your bank statement. Now, it's time to upload your statement file. Click on Choose File and navigate through your computer's folders to find the bank statement you wish to import. Once you have located it, select your file to start the upload process. Next, you'll need to select the amount column type for your statement. Additionally, choose the correct character encoding and file delimiter. These settings ensure that Zoho Books can correctly interpret and display the information from your bank statement. After adjusting these settings, proceed to the next screen. Here, you'll match the headers from your bank statement file to the corresponding fields in Zoho Books. This is a crucial step to ensure compatibility and accuracy of the data being imported. Finally, it's time for a quick review. Go through the details shown on the preview page and check for any errors or mismatches. If everything looks correct, click Import to complete the process. Congratulations, you've successfully imported your bank statement into Zoho Books. With this knowledge, managing your financial data just got a lot simpler.